Want to know how to compose a mail in Shortwave? Well, no worries. So you can also easily compose or write a mail just by using Shortwave through your account directly. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can do it. So let's get right into it. Now, first things first, just simply open up your shortwave.com website or the application. So we have also created similar videos regarding Shortwave, which is available on our channel, so make sure to watch it. So now once everything is done, you should be under this interface right here. Now, in order to compose a mail, it's super simple. On the top right side, you should be seeing this compose icon right here. Just like that. And here you can just simply type in who do you want to send the mail to. So let's say I want to send to this user, so I can just simply type in anything that I like and then a subject. Now with that, I can also customize my text just like a normal mail format with texting size, color, and just simply do what as normal mail can do, but I can customize it more, add more stickers, GIF emojis, and fast like normal, and then select send right here. And that's it, super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.